In this video, we are going to add the products that our client is selling. So I'm going to go to the original layer, and I'm simply going to borrow these guys. I'm going to copy them, go back to my layer, lock the original, and simply paste these guys just like so. Let me just bring them somewhere here, and now let me just distribute them real quick, just like so. Okay, so I think that these guys should be white, so I'm simply going to sample the white color just like so. And I think that in order to align everything properly, we need to go to the Effect menu and choose Apply Outline Object once more. I'm going to go to the Character panel as well, because I want all these words to be written in all caps. So I'm simply going to click all caps, just like so. And then I'm gonna move this guy a bit, not all these guys, only this guy a bit to the right, so it aligns with this guide right here, and this guy a bit to the left. Okay, we are almost ready to align these guys properly, but if we refer back to our original design, you can see that we got some dots right here. So I'm simply going to quickly create them using the ellipse tool. So I'm gonna press the L key on my keyboard, and I'm going to create, it doesn't have to be too big, something like this should be fine. Now I'm going to simply clone it all the way to the right. So I'm simply pressing and holding down both the Shift and the Alt keys together. And now I'm going to just press Ctrl D to duplicate the last selection and the last transformation, just like so. And maybe I am going to decrease the font size of these guys. Actually, they are already in 6 points, but if we go 5 points, and since they are written in all caps, I guess they will be legible enough. So I'm gonna move this guy all the way to the right, this guy all the way to the left, and now I'm gonna select all these guys by shift clicking on them, just like so. And now I'm going to do some aligning. So first I'm going to make sure that they are aligned vertically to the center. So I'm simply going to press this button right here, just like so. And now I want to align these guys in relation to this green stripe. So what we could do is we could simply add this green stripe to our selection by shift clicking on it, and then I'm going to click on it once more to make it our key object. And if I now press this vertical align center option, I am going to align only these elements in relation to this green stripe, just like so. So the last thing to do here would be to simply make sure that this name, the owner, this line, this contact information, and that it's all being nicely aligned in relation to our grass and in relation to the logo. So how can we do that? Well, I'm simply going to select all these guys and create a group out of them, and now I'm simply going to create 2 lines. So one line, I'm just going to create it something like so, and I'm going to give it some visible, maybe black stroke, and I'm going to bring it down till it snaps with my butterfly, and then I am going to bring it down here so it snaps with the top parts of the blades. So now I'm going to select this group, this line, and this line, and now I can simply click this vertical, well, actually not vertical line center, I need to distribute these guys vertically to the center, just like so. And now I can simply just grab these guys, delete them, and now I can be sure that the distances between the logo and this text, well, this whole group and this group and the grass are actually equal. So what we would do now in order to finish our design would be to simply save it as a PDF and send it off to our client, or maybe to the print shop directly. So there you go. This is how well, I think easily you can create a design just like so. And this was the first design that we created using Adobe Illustrator. And in the next video, we are actually going to create a different design using Adobe Photoshop. So if that's something that you're interested in, just keep watching.